Hello everyone, welcome to Diagnose It. Today we have this case and this is a 65-year-old female who presented with this history of cough for 3 months and this generalized weakness for 6 months. And this is the chest x-ray given in front of you, and we are to make the diagnosis with this information. So firstly, let me tell you, this is a very typical appearance and this is called as cannonball metastasis, or you can say cannonball appearance in the lungs. And most of the time it is associated with some kind of tumor, and this is due to the metastasis due to that tumor. And let me tell you one more thing. Yeah, in immunocompromised patients, in TB cases, when the patient is very severely immunocompromised, then also we can get these kind of bigger opacities. Normally in the tuberculosis, there is this miliary shadow that is seen in the chest x-ray, but these kind of big opacities, these are not that common in cases of tuberculosis in a normal individual. But yeah, in cases of immunocompromised patients with the tuberculosis, this appearance we can see. So basically this is the case of cannonball appearance and cannonball metastasis, and this age of the female, this 65-year, that is an elderly patient, this also suggests towards a diagnosis of some kind of malignancy. Now let's come to what kind of tumors this cannonball metastasis can appear. The most common one is this renal cell carcinoma. The other is this choriocarcinoma. The germ cell tumors, basically the germ cell tumors are quite commonly associated with this cannonball metastasis. And there is one thing that is quite commonly seen, that HCG. HCG is human chorionic gonadotropin. This is a hormone that is quite commonly secreted by the tumors that leads to this cannonball appearance, this cannonball metastasis. The other tumors, this prostate carcinoma, synovial sarcoma, and this endometrial carcinoma. There are some cases of this cannonball metastasis in this testicular tumor also. Different types of testicular tumors. So these are basically the tumors that are related to this cannonball metastasis. The symptoms, the main symptoms due to this metastasis is this cough. Patient may be asymptomatic, but yeah, history of cough can be present. But there is a history of symptoms due to the tumor itself, like any generalized swelling at that area. And one more thing, these HCG secreting tumors that are showing this cannonball metastasis, the prognosis of the patient is quite grave and the cancers are very fulminant. Now the mode of spread, about the mode of the spread. The most common mode by which a tumor reaches the lung is this hematogenous spread, because the lungs are quite richly supplied by the blood. So the tumors that are having a very rich blood supply and very rich, especially the very rich venous drainage, they leads to this hematogenous metastasis towards the lungs. And due to an excessive vascular supply of the lungs, the tissue of the lung is also a very hospitable area for this metastatic deposits. So this is about this cannonball metastasis, and these are the cancers that are showing this cannonball metastasis. So if you have any questions regarding it, then do post it in the comment section below, or you can also DM me on my Instagram handle at Diagnose It. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.